kids, how are you? Are you ready to learn a new lesson with me? Very nice. So today we are going to learn about pronoun I. So I is a subject pronoun which is used in place of first person singular. Subject pronoun? What is it? It's very easy. A subject pronoun is a pronoun which acts as a subject of the sentence about whom we are talking. For example, I am a girl. So, in this sentence, pronoun I is a subject about whom we are talking. So, let's see some more examples and make the concept of pronoun I clear. So, Rudy, our first example of pronoun I is I am a girl. So, in this sentence, we have used the pronoun I because we are talking about the subject. So, whenever we talk about the subject, we always use the pronoun I and it is used in place of first person singular. Now, Rudy, read the second example.
I love reading books.
Correct. So, again in this sentence, we have used the pronoun I because we are talking about the subject and the subject is used in place of first person
Singular.
Correct. So, Rudy, read the third example.
I have a ball.
Correct. So, which is the subject in this sentence?
I.
Right. And it is used in place of first person, second person or third person?
First person.
Singular or plural?
Singular.
Very nice. So, I hope you're very clear that what is pronoun I. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.